welcome to the Pleasure Academy. In today's video, we're diving into the psychology of subtle physical cues. You'll discover 14 simple, natural touches that build connection, spark chemistry, and increase attraction in a respectful, genuine way. Let's begin. 1. The light shoulder tap. A gentle tap on the shoulder is one of the safest, simplest touches that can subtly build attraction. It's non-intrusive and works well when you're sharing a joke or calling someone's attention. This touch sends a message of friendliness and openness without crossing boundaries. When you briefly tap someone's shoulder during a conversation, it breaks physical distance in a respectful way. This micro moment can release small amounts of oxytocin, the bonding hormone, especially when combined with warm eye contact and a genuine smile. Use it casually, naturally, and sparingly to avoid seeming intentional or forced. 2. The playful high five. A high five might seem childish, but that's exactly why it works. It feels spontaneous, playful, and low pressure. When two people celebrate small moments, winning a game, sharing a funny moment, or agreeing on something, the high five becomes a shared emotional experience. That brief skin contact can create a spark, especially when accompanied by laughter. It allows you to test comfort levels without invading personal space. Plus, if the vibe is right, you can let your hands linger for a second longer, creating a natural moment of warmth. It's a fun way to build rapport and light-hearted attraction. 3. Guiding touch on the upper back. A gentle guiding touch on the upper back communicates care, confidence, and leadership. For example, when you're walking through a crowded place or opening a door, lightly placing your hand on someone's upper back area shows intention and thoughtfulness. This touch is subtle yet powerful because it signals, "I'm aware of you and I'm looking out for you." It should always be brief and respectful, never lingering. The upper back is considered a neutral zone, making this gesture feel safe. When used naturally, it creates a moment of closeness that can deepen connection without overwhelming the other person. 4. The handshake hold extension. A handshake is universal, but adding a 1-second extension creates a surprising emotional shift. When you greet someone with a firm, warm handshake and hold it just a moment longer while maintaining eye contact, it amplifies the sense of connection. It feels confident without being obvious. That extra second transforms a formal gesture into something more personal. It communicates curiosity and warmth. Many psychologists note that extended handshakes increase trust and openness. Just make sure your grip isn't too tight or too loose and let go naturally. Done right, this extended touch subtly plants the first seed of attraction. 5. Passing an object with hand contact. This touch is incredibly subtle but surprisingly intimate. When handing someone an object, like a pen, a cup, or a phone, let your fingers lightly brush theirs. It shouldn't feel intentional or staged. Instead, let it appear accidental yet natural. This moment creates a tiny spark because the hands are sensitive and emotionally responsive. Many people feel an unexpected warmth when their fingers touch someone they feel drawn to. It's a micro-interaction that communicates closeness without crossing boundaries. Use it sparingly and casually. When done in the right context, this tiny touch can build anticipation and deepen subconscious attraction. 6. The laugh touch on the arm. When you're sharing a fun moment, a gentle touch on the arm while laughing feels natural and bonding. This gesture works because laughter already releases feel-good chemicals like dopamine. Adding a light touch strengthens the emotional impact of the moment. The arm is a socially acceptable zone, so it doesn't feel intrusive. It communicates comfort and connection. Just make sure the touch flows naturally with the moment. Never force it. When someone allows repeated arm touches during laughter, it's usually a good sign that they feel relaxed around you. It's one of the easiest ways to build warm, playful attraction. 7. Fixing something small. Fixing a small detail, like brushing off lint, adjusting a necklace, or fixing a collar, creates a moment of closeness that feels caring rather than forward. This gesture works because it shows attentiveness and gentle affection. However, it must only be used when you already share comfort and mutual rapport. The key is subtlety. Move slowly, smile softly, and keep your touch brief. When done right, this tiny act signals admiration and awareness. It makes the other person feel seen in the best way. But always read their body language first. This touch should only happen when the moment feels natural. 8. The light elbow touch while walking. Walking side by side offers an opportunity for a soft, guiding elbow touch. This is especially effective when crossing a street, navigating a crowded area, or shifting direction. The elbow is a neutral, low-intensity touch point that feels safe yet connected. It communicates, "I'm here with you," without adding pressure or intensity. The key is to keep the touch brief, just enough to signal closeness or direction. This gesture shows confidence and awareness of the other person's presence. When used naturally, it can create a quiet sense of partnership that subtly deepens attraction. 9. The warm hand-on-hand moment. One of the sweetest forms of subtle contact is placing your hand over theirs when they're doing something, like showing you something on their phone or handing you an item. This gesture is calm, slow, and emotionally expressive. It communicates comfort, reassurance, and interest. But timing is everything. It only works when both people already feel mutual ease. When your hand softly rests over theirs, even for a moment, it creates a warm, magnetic feeling. Many people describe this touch as grounding and intimate without being intense. It's a beautiful way to express emotional connection with minimal effort. 10. The side hug. A light side hug is casual, friendly, and low pressure, but still meaningful. Unlike a full embrace, a side hug allows comfortable closeness while respecting boundaries. This makes it great for greetings, goodbyes, or celebratory moments. The brief press of shoulders and arms can communicate warmth and trust. The magic lies in the naturalness. Keep it soft, not tight. A side hug that lasts a fraction longer than expected can create a flicker of attraction, especially if paired with a warm smile. It's a simple way to say, "I enjoy being close to you," without overstating it. 11. The friendly wrist touch. The wrist is a surprisingly sensitive touch point, associated with gentleness and vulnerability. A light wrist touch, like guiding someone's hand towards something or briefly tapping their wrist while making a point, creates a soft emotional spark. This gesture feels delicate and attentive. It communicates subtle interest without crossing boundaries. The key is to keep it fleeting and natural. A playful or guiding wrist touch is often interpreted as sweet and caring. It creates connection without intensity, making it perfect for building slow, natural attraction. Just be mindful and respectful. This touch should feel easy, never forced. 12. The shared object touch. This touch works through anticipation. When two people hold the same object, like a book, a cup, or even a phone, your hands come close, creating a playful tension. The moment your fingers overlap or brush, it sparks a soft, shared awareness. Psychologically, this works because you create a small moment of shared space. It also feels indirect and natural, which makes it safe. People often smile or blush when this happens unexpectedly. It's a gentle way to introduce physical closeness while allowing the moment to unfold harmlessly. The key is to keep it light and unintentional. 13. The slow, supportive hand on the forearm. When someone is nervous, emotional, or excited, placing a light hand on their forearm communicates empathy and grounding. The forearm is more intimate than the shoulder but still socially acceptable. This touch sends a message of support and emotional connection. It's especially effective in meaningful conversations. When you rest your hand gently on their forearm while listening or responding, it strengthens the sense of trust. This gesture is calm, warm, and emotionally bonding. It shows sincerity and care, which naturally increases attraction in deeper ways. Not just physical but emotional. 14. The whisper proximity touch. When you lean in slightly to speak, maybe in a noisy environment, and lightly touch their arm or shoulder while whispering, it creates intimate proximity. This combination of closeness and soft touch triggers a surge of emotional connection. It feels secretive, personal, and special. You're sharing a moment only the two of you can access. The key is gentleness. Speak softly, smile, and keep your touch respectful and brief. This small gesture can generate a deep sense of closeness and spark strong attraction without saying anything explicitly romantic. It's subtle, powerful, and memorable. Attraction isn't about grand gestures. It's built through small, subtle touches that communicate warmth, confidence, and emotional presence. These 14 touches work because they're natural, respectful, and rooted in genuine connection. Pay attention to comfort levels, timing, and body language. When used mindfully, these simple touches can deepen trust, build chemistry, and create moments people remember. Attraction grows one gentle gesture at a time. Thanks for watching the Pleasure Academy. If you enjoyed today's breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. More insightful, relationship-focused videos are on the way. Stay tuned, stay confident, and keep growing.